This concludes our test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. If there had been an actual sighting of a human child in Monstropolis, you would have been instructed where to tune in for news and official information. This concludes our test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System.
Hold on, CC. Let's go in the car.
Attention visitor, for your safety while touring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside.
And then my stick, what did you do? Next year, start taking out backpacks, please.
All right, Damon's gonna watch your step and stop
Come
running.
on in, watch your step. Right here, Elsa.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Now, like I told you, it was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic.
Oh, Pooh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Monster in the sky, save me!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit, get in position. Spread out and lock it down.
I've been excited to get what happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale.
You done, Pooh?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Pooh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Pooh. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Okay, humans, prepare for decontamination.
Okay, folks, the swarm heard that status to 9990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress that reported to the scene where
looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right, nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go. You have everything under control now, so keep it moving. Didn't see any